In this week's edition of the Business Review, how a woman's hair care business is helping to overcome mental hurdles about natural hair care. Here's Cody and Barrett.
The issue of a lack of education on how to care for textured hair is slowly changing, and moving with the demand locally is April J. Raymond, founder and stylist of Washed to Go. After being introduced to hair care in the United States, specializing in wash and go for women with textured hair, and feeling unfulfilled at her job, she decided to enter the natural hair care world. But the reality of natural hair care was much different in Jamaica than in the US.
I noticed that there is a trend where we wear lots of braids, lots of weaves, cornrows, or we relax our hair. So there's always the putting away of the hair or the chemical processing to alter the state of the hair. And I realized, I don't think Black women or people of color with tight curls, no, I don't think they have the tools and the skills and the knowledge on how to care for their hair as it is without having to add or alter it.
And hair salons were lacking on how to care for natural hair.
They don't tend to handle the black hair with care. They'll pop and pull and just kind of rough up your hair. And also, I don't think that they know the basic fundamentals of just taking care of your hair, which is just let's shampoo, let's condition, let's use quality stylers. And so for that reason, I had to embed an educational component in my business.
And so, Washed to Go aimed to fulfill the need of educating women on how to handle their own hair. A mobile business in the comfort of clients' home, April J not only styles hair, but includes an educational component. Washed to Go service is a step-by-step guide on how each individual can make their curls come alive in its natural state. And since being in operation, she had to help clients overcome some misconceptions about their hair.
I have 4C hair, which has become a catch-all phrase for difficult hair. And so I find that sometimes it's just a major barrier and people don't even want to try because they think, I don't have the ideal hair, so I won't even bother. And that's not the case. All curly hair is beautiful, curly to tight, tight to loose. And so I do work hard to overcome those mindset hurdles.
And slowly, the business grew through referrals.
So I've not operated at a loss so far. I think in the very beginning, I was just breaking even, no loss, no profit. And as I got better and as the clients were increasing, I inched up the pricing. And so, of course, now I'm operating at a profit.
Currently, Washed to Go is working towards opening a salon as well as becoming a regional travel stylist.
I do want to become a traveling stylist within the Caribbean region. So just hop from island to island, do a week tour here, week tour there, and help to train other stylists so that we can spread this movement of Black hair care.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody and Barrett.